Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into advanced revenue management in NetSuite, a robust framework designed to enhance your financial operations. If you're looking to streamline your revenue processes, ensure compliance, and drive efficiency in your business, you're in the right place. Let's explore the key features that make advanced revenue management in NetSuite a game changer for financial professionals. Automatic revenue recognition. NetSuite automates revenue recognition based on predefined rules, ensuring accurate financial statements and compliance with accounting standards like ASC 606. Flexible revenue models. Whether your business operates on a subscription, service, or product model, NetSuite allows you to define custom revenue recognition methods that fit your unique business needs. Multi-element arrangements. With advanced revenue management, you can easily manage multi-element arrangements, allowing flexible billing and recognition across several contracts within a single transaction. Real-time analytics. Gain deeper insights with real-time reporting and analytics that help you track revenue trends and make informed business decisions on the fly. Customizable workflows. Automate routine processes with customizable workflows that save time and reduce the chance of human error, ensuring your team can focus on strategic initiatives. Let's get into the demo. In this video, we provide step-by-step guide to implementing how to set up advanced revenue management in NetSuite. Go to Setup, Company and Enable Features. Under the Accounting subtab, find Revenue Accounting and select the Advanced Revenue Management checkbox. Click Save. To configure accounting preference for revenue management, navigate to Setup, Accounting, Accounting Preferences. Under Advanced Revenue Management only, set Revenue Arrangement Update Frequency to Automatic. Revenue Plan Update Frequency to Automatic. Click Save. Go to Lists, Accounting, Revenue Recognition Rules, and click New to create a revenue recognition rule. Click New to create a revenue recognition rule. Fill in mandatory fields, including name, and select a recognition method. Straight line, by even periods. Spreads expenses equally each month. Straight line, prorate first and last period. Spreads expenses evenly with partial amounts for the first and last periods based on actual days. Straight line, using exact days. Allocates expenses based on the exact number of days in each period. Straight line, prorate first and last period by exact days. Similar to the above, but calculates based on the actual days. Period offset. Delays or advances revenue recognition by a specific number of periods. Start offset. Delays recognition from the transaction date by a specific number of periods. Initial amount. Specifies revenue recognized upfront. Term in months. Defines the revenue recognition duration. Amount source. Choose between amount, quantity, or percent complete. Set start date source and revenue end date source as needed. Define end date change impact as either remaining periods only or all periods. Click Save. To apply revenue recognition rules to items, go to Lists, Accounting, Items. Select the item that needs revenue recognition setup. Under the Revenue Recognition and Amortization subtab, hold Revenue Recognition. Check if revenue is held until a specific milestone is met. Create revenue plans on billing. Auto-generates revenue plans on invoicing. Foreign currency adjustment account. Adjusts for currency fluctuations. Enable checkboxes based on requirements and click Save. Next, creating an invoice with revenue recognition rules. Navigate to Transactions, Sales, and create invoices. Select the customer and location. Add the item with the price level set to custom and enter the rate. The revenue recognition rule automatically updates. Verify the start date and term in months. Click Add and then Save. Go to Related Records in the Item or Revenue Arrangement record. NetSuite automatically creates a revenue arrangement for the invoice. Click Revenue Arrangement to view details. Revenue plan status is under Not Started. Review linked invoices under Revenue element. Under the Revenue Arrangement, click Update Revenue Plans. NetSuite will automatically update within 3 hours, but this can be triggered manually. Check under Revenue Arrangement for updated actual and forecast plans. For posting revenue recognition in journal entries, navigate to Transactions, Financial, Schedule Revenue Recognition Journal Entries. Select mandatory fields, including posting periods and customer. Click Create Journal Entries to begin processing. Refresh to view the process status. Once complete, a journal entry originating from the revenue recognition schedule is created. To verify the recognition plan details, in the journal entry, click on the Source Recognition Plan to verify details in the Revenue Recognition Detail Plan. To schedule Revenue Recognition Journal entries, navigate to Transactions, Financial, Schedule Revenue Recognition Journal, Entries for scheduling Revenue Recognition Journal entries. Set name, recurrence frequency, and repeat value. Select subsidiary, company type, and a revenue recognition plan saved search. Choose Next Run Date, Time, and Time Zone. Next step, to generate the Deferred Revenue Report. Navigate to Reports, Revenue. Choose Deferred Revenue, Waterfall. Adjust the date range to view deferred revenue balances. And set the subsidiary context. Understanding deferred revenue. Deferred revenue in NetSuite represents income received in advance for goods or services not yet provided, recorded as a liability until earned. This step-by-step guidance will help ensure proper setup and efficient management of advanced revenue management in NetSuite, improving financial tracking and reporting accuracy. In today's fast-paced business environment, mastering revenue management is crucial for sustained success. With advanced revenue management in NetSuite, you gain the tools you need to accelerate operations, ensure compliance, and drive profitability. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and leave us a comment with your thoughts or questions about NetSuite's advanced revenue management. Until next time, keep driving your business forward.